Is going to walk through how you take a design that you have in Fusion 360 and get a two-dimensional shape that you can then cut on the laser engraver. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is you're going to go to drawing and you go from design. And depending on what you do, you can have the full assembly or you can select. Let's just say I want this top piece. I'm going to hit select. And then you need to make a size that will fit our laser bed. So 17 by 11 is pretty good, or 22 by 17 will be fine. But we'll just do 17 by 11. This will fit. And I hit OK. Now, it'll take a second to load. But what will happen here is you'll click in here and you have to find the right orientation. So this should be from the top. And then what you want to do is you want to make it 1 to 1. That will put it as its full size. You can then move that around and whatever you want, you're going to then export that PDF. So you export a PDF, you're going to save that somewhere, and that's the file that you actually take to the laser engraver so that you can cut out and vector cut and get this part to actually show up. All right, that's it. Pretty simple.